Chavre, the showcase jewelry store is wie ich kauf an jewelry the Kovad Yom Tiv. Rabbi Yitzchok, what is the secret to this place? Was the oilim got mashigah with him? I think people tell me that you're how many years in the line?
27 years, Baruch Hashem.
27 years in the jewelry line. Von dem hast du the schönste und the beste Stücke. Es kommt jetzt Yom Tiv. People say this is Bar Park's best kept secret. Well, now the secret is out. Ich like it was the video and it's out. Ich hoffe, hast du nicht jewelry für Choshek Hal Bar Park.
No,
Verbrieden. So, ich sage allemal, the best money saver I could anytime is buying a wife a piece of jewelry. Es spurt an alles. Wenn die kaufst, da ist wirklich gitte scheine Stückel jewelry, fragt jetzt um der Peisig, Kashrak, they're up and on their feet, sie schluffen nicht, saat, pieren bis Peisig, they deserve a nice piece of jewelry. Rabbi Yitzchok, lass mal sehen, wo die hast von der Zibber.
I'm going to with etwas sehr special, a beautiful tennis necklace.
Der Bucket, gorgeous.
Shiny glitter diamonds.
Wow. And device diamond used to be a diamond cutter, they say, no?
Yeah, we started with cutting diamonds.
1999, which year?
No.
Schon noch 2000?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Kijk even with the stickle jewelry here. Beautiful. Now, another beautiful thing about this place, I want to tell my followers, it's not 13th Avenue, hustle, bustle, it's just off the avenue, it's stuck in the center of Bar Park, 15th and 48th, but it's in the middle of the block, it's ruhig, it's still, man kommt daran, doing the tea, nobody sees you coming in. You talk open 24 hours, right?
Not 24 hours.
Not 24 hours, you sleep a little also.
Yeah, you have to sleep too.
But there's something about this place, it's cozy, it's still. Keine seht dich nicht, you know, I'm the hustle bustle. When ich come to kaufen jewelry, I come usually like between 11 and 12 p.m. And Rabbi Yitzchak is always waiting for you, always available for you. Whenever you want, come around, do. It's no 9 to 5 over here. It's a family over here. You come in.
It's 11 to 6. But if you need an appointment later at night, don't hesitate.
Oh, so you're saying you always just tell me that Chaim came in, but you're always open.
I try to be available.
You're always available.
Not always open, no.
Gorgeous. Kijk wat de jewelry do. Stunning pieces. Eins bei eins.
Chaim, du hast auch Schiddisch in gelaut. Du willst nicht reinkommen, wenn du Frauen im Geschäft. So, they call me, and they come over, they choose whatever they want, and they walk out. They're happy.
That's a beautiful thing. They have private, nice appointments after hours for the Heimish Oilum. Tell me another thing. Hand jewelry kleine Haare went up over here. Die verkaufst auch was the nice style lab grown?
Yes. 90% of our inventory is natural, but we have quite a few pieces of lab because many people request it, so we have to have it. Mm-hmm. And it actually looks very pretty, very nice.
It's almost, mentions identical.
Well,
you could tell.
I could tell, but not always. Not always. That's why people come with expensive pieces. Like, let's say this pair of earrings. It's a $25,000 pair of earrings.
$25,000 pair of earrings?
Yes.
Wow.
And when we make it in lab, it's a fraction. It's a few $1,000s.
Really?
Yeah. And people we make any design. It doesn't have to be this, anything. Any design that they like. They come in, they say, Yitzchak, I like this piece. Make it for me in lab. And I'll do it.
So you take a design they bring in and you make it in a lab?
Yeah.
Custom made?
Yeah.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
Any design. Any ring, any style. We have a very good crew that works for us and we do nice work.
Wow. But this is als, this is een echte stukje diamond over here. This is a real deal. But if somebody wants this style, lab grown, is this machen fijn.
Probieren.
Wow.
Chaim. This is a special surprise that I wanted to talk about. We have a takuna package for people that do a shidduch, a kala package we call it, and we have beautiful necklace, many designs. This is just a sample, beautiful bracelet, beautiful diamond ring, and beautiful earrings with a conditioner ring, the whole package for $9,000.
$9,000 for this whole package?
Yes.
That includes everything.
And earrings, we have many designs to choose from. This is just a sample. And if a color wants a specific design, we'll make that for her as well.
Wow.
And we have many designs on necklaces and many designs on bracelets.
So $9,000 eigentlich kann rauswachen du mit der ganzen Steffi was dann kalle.
Ja. Darfst du kaufen fein um, kauft es ein bisschen. Wow. Hype mit der Bracelet. Das ist schiddig, Mazel Tov, mit der Bracelet.
Das ist noch ein Schau, einer macht das schiddig 12:30 a.m. It's a geschenk, Tamul.
It's a geschenk.
And you're available for them?
If I'm up.
What was the latest?
I had, yeah.
Ashma Kiman call?
1 a.m.
1 a.m.
Yeah. 8 of Piram, 1 a.m. My friend calls me, you say, yeah, shiddig, yes, noch a bracelet. So ich come out we're available.
Wow. Amazing. So for $9,000, can you at the Kuna package over here. Gorgeous pieces of jewelry for Ankala. That's amazing yeshiva klal so shkoy Yitzchak. Nice.
Chaim, ich weiß, dass Menschen haben sehr busy hunting take. Sie können schon become an alliance. They could send me a WhatsApp, text message, whatever. Call me. I'll send them pictures, choices, give them prices. And if they confirm it, we could ship. We could ship anywhere. We could ship with USA. 718-710-7288.
Have it again. I'm going to put it on the screen. 718-720-710. 7288. Check out text, WhatsApp, or call. The location is 1548. Call before you come. And als mijn kushen of veilige Yom Tov met danken nog was de kimst do. I want to hear your feedback.
One more thing I wanted to mention. The gold prices is very high now. So people are bringing in their old jewelry and trading them in and buying new. It's amazing. People can't imagine how much money you could get out of your old Husenzeige, your wife's old Kallezeige that she never wears. It's sitting in the safe. Bring it in. You get a few $1,000s for it and buy yourself something nice.
That's nice. Bring in your old gold and trade it for something gorgeous in the store. That's an amazing idea. Also this looks laying around anyway, bring it in here and Rabbi will take care of you. Beautiful, gorgeous. This showcase hat ma kushen und freiliche